What it is, what's popping, what's good, what's happening? Got another quick install for you guys. Got these side step things. What are these called? Door steps. I'm about to put on the Jeep Zeus. So I know they sell them for up front as well as the back. I'm just going to do the back. I'm not going to do up front. I kind of like that look. So I'm going to install these and kind of show you guys how it look on a white Jeep with a whole bunch of black accents. When it comes to the install, it's really easy. There's a whole bunch of videos online for that, but you just unbolt these, put the other one, put the side steps on and bolt them down, and that's it. What's cool about these, they're not just steps, but they're also tie downs as well, if you want to tie stuff on top of the Jeep, but as well as a bottle opener, which is cool. I'm not a beer drinker like that, but it's cool, right? But I got this off of Facebook Market from a lady for $40. So not that expensive at all for a quick mine. These are the hardware, and this is a piece right here. Pretty good, pretty cool. So let me throw these on. So just doing a quick video for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Check out the Instagram. I'll get back to y'all. Peace. All right, good people. We're done with the install. Oh, it's pretty good. I had to go to Lowe's, get a torch stick set. You kind of can see it here. Because I didn't have the piece to connect to my wrench right there. I do have some other tools here, but that wouldn't work. I tried to use my drill. I do also have an impact drill and a regular drill. That wasn't gonna work as good. This is the leftover hardware from the OEM bolts. This is the booklet with all the directions. I just used the great old YouTube. I had cut up these cardboards to hoist or balance the door. I also used duct tape on each side to kind of help out. And it was a fairly simple install. Just unscrew these, the bolts, put this there. They had a couple of the washer to put it in. There's weather stripping in there as well, and everything is copacetic. That's good. Hopefully the black paint doesn't come off. Apparently they are paddle coated, but as you can see here, kind of on the bolt, it does look like it's kind of coming off, but everything is good. Door open and closed. Kind of messed up on the tape here. It looks like I'm gonna have to use some alcohol. I did use duct tape to kind of hold the door, but I'll probably wipe that off. But yeah, man, so quick install, fairly easy. So anybody could do this. So yeah, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, look at the other videos, some other playlists. Keep God first in everything you do, man. Holla. Peace.